Greetings everyone. After successfully training many students from around the world in CSCP, I am excited to kick off my new series of CPIM questions. So let's begin. Question number 1. The parallel consensus method is recognized as a form of which of the following types of forecasting? A. Quantitative, B. Qualitative, C. Casual, D. Panel smoothing. The correct answer here is B. The panel consensus method uses a series of questionnaires to achieve a convergence of expert opinion. It does not calculate a forecast quantitatively. Question number 2. The relationship between resource requirements planning and rough cut capacity planning is similar to the relationship between which of the following? A. Production planning to master scheduling. B. Production planning and MRP. C. Master production scheduling and MRP. D. MRP to input output control. Here, the correct answer is A. Resource requirements planning is a high level check on resources. This would be similar to the production plan. In fact, resource requirements planning is done to validate the production plan. Rough cut capacity planning checks critical work centers to validate the master production schedule. Question number 3. In order to forecast cash flow in a make to order company, which of the following must be converted into dollars? A. Carrying cost of finished goods. B. Critical work center costs. C. Standard yield percentages. D. Final assembly schedule. Here, the correct answer is D. The final assembly schedule is the actual build schedule in a make to order environment. It represents the final products which have been sold to customers. This information converted to dollars gives an excellent measures of future cash flows. Question number 4. All of the following would be good measures of MPS achievement except A. Customer service as measured by on-time delivery. B. Dollars of output per week. C. Equivalent actual units of output versus plan. D. Percent fill rate from inventory. Here, the correct answer is A. The planned order release creating demand from a branch warehouse would become a gross requirement at the central warehouse offset for transport lead time. Another aspect is that on-time delivery is primarily a measure of customer service performance, not directly a measure of master production schedule achievement. Question number 5. At times, data used to forecast will be of poor quality. Which of the following would be the correct action for the stated data quality problem? 1. Filter and adjust for abnormal demand. 2. Accept data omissions and plan around them. 3. Accept normal variations in the data. 4. Substitute for data omissions. Here, the correct answer is B. Data omissions should never be accepted. The original data should be obtained or a substitute should be entered. In these types of questions, I would recommend my students to look for the option which is exception, which is not right, so that it is easier for you to select the right option for the relevant question. Question number 6. Backlogs should be held A. on the shop floor, B. at the customer, C. in production control, D. in the warehouse. Here, the correct answer is C. By keeping the backlogs in production control, the floor will not be overloaded with work which cannot be completed, thereby rendering due dates invalid on floor. When the shop is overloaded, product gets moved more frequently and changeovers become more frequent, reducing the available capacity. Question number 7. The time period which exists between the completion of one operation and the start of the next operation is A. Wait time, B. Setup time, C. Interoperation time, D. Pre-operation time. I believe if you have read the whole theory in your manuals, this is an easier one. The correct answer here is C. Interoperation time includes move time, queue time, and wait time. Question number 8. Which of the following is associated with backward scheduling? A. Finite loading, B. Infinite loading, C. Interoperation sequencing, D. Dispatch lists. Here option B is correct. With infinite loading, the load on the plant is determined by the customer due date scheduled backward without regard to standard capacity available to perform the work. Capacity is then reviewed for potential improvements through overtime, subcontracting, etc. Question number 9. Given the following information for a work center, there is machines is equal to 3, operations per shifts are 2, shifts per day are 1, days worked per week are 5, hours worked per shift are 8, machine utilization is 80%, operator efficiency is 90%. If the hours worked were increased to a 10-hour shift from an 8-hour shift, what would be the available capacity for the week? A 100, B 108, C 120, D 150. Here the correct answer is B. Now let me explain you how. Here the formula which we will be using is very simple. We will just multiply available weekly capacity, that is 3 machines, into 50 hours per week and into capacity 8.80 machine utilization and 0.90 with operator efficiency, which will give us 108. Question number 10. Which of the following is affected when input does not match output? 1. Lot sizes, 2. Lead times, 3. Queue sizes. The correct option here is C. If input is greater than output, queues and lead times will increase. If output is greater than input, they will decrease. Question number 11. Which of the following are advantages of using central storage? Number 1, ease of control. Number 2, costs are reduced. Number 3, inventory record accuracy is easier to attain. Number 4, safety stock is reduced. Here option B is correct, which selects option 1, 3 and 4. Costs are not reduced with central storage. There are labor cost, racking, paper system and other costs associated with central storage. Question number 12. Demand on a work center is caused by the next work center. Product is not made unless signaled by the next work center. This is called A. Push system, B. Pull system, C. Demand system, D. MRP2 system. It's quite simple one. The correct answer here is B. A pull system starts with demand from a customer and signals each preceding operation. Work is not done on product unless a signal for demand is generated, thus pulling a product through the manufacturing process. Question number 13. Flow systems are usually very cost effective for the following reasons. A. Because workstation is designed to produce a varied product. B. Because material flows from one workstation to the next, there is a large buildup of work in process inventory. C. Because manufacturing lead times are long. D. Because in their purest form, flow lines are inflexible. Here, the correct answer is D. In the flow system, workstations are designed to produce a limited range of similar products and there is very little buildup of work in process inventory. Because in their purest form, flow lines are inflexible, they can produce only a limited family of similar parts and the quantity must be sufficient to justify economically its use. Question number 14. Planning bills can be best described as A. Grouping like items together for planning, B. Products which the factory plans to build, C. Indented bill of materials, D. Phantom bill of materials. Here the correct answer is A. A planning bill is an artificial grouping of components for planning purposes. They are used to simplify planning, forecasting, master production scheduling, and material requirements planning. They do not represent products which are buildable. Question number 15. Which of the following demand fulfillment approaches typically provides the longest delivery time? A. Engineer to order, B. Make to order, C. Assemble to order, D. Make to stock. Again, it's very simple one. The correct answer is A. Engineer to order has the longest delivery time because products are designed and manufactured from scratch based on specific customer requirements. This process involves custom engineering, sourcing unique materials, and building tailored products, which significantly extends lead times compared to other approaches. Question number 16. The purpose of a steering committee in a GIT implementation is to 1. Approve and recommend projects, 2. Ensure resources are available, 3. Revise priorities, 4. Be primary cheerleaders. Here, all the statements are true, which means option D is correct. The purpose of the steering committee in a GIT implementation includes all of the answers plus others, such as appointing cross functional teams and reviewing progress. Question number 17. Having a multifunctional workforce provides which of the following benefits? 1. Flexibility in manufacture. 2. More challenge in the job, less boredom. 3. Better solution to problems. Again, all the statements are true, therefore option D is correct. Multifunctional workers provide all of the benefits mentioned. In addition, quality is generally higher because workers can vary their routine. This in turn reduces boredom on the job. Most workers like to have some control over their environment and participate in the solutions to the problems affecting them. Question number 18. Which of the following order winning criteria typically lie within the jurisdiction of the manufacturing function? 1. Delivery reliability. 2. Product design leadership. 3. Quality conformance. 4. Aftermarket service. Here, out of given options, option A is correct. Delivery reliability and quality conformance, that is number 1 and 3, are directly managed by the manufacturing function as they involve ensuring products meet specifications and are delivered on time. Product design leadership and aftermarket service fall under design and service departments and not manufacturing. Question number 19. The purpose of product profiling is to determine the fit of A. Customer requirements and product features, B. Product volume and variety and deployment choices, C. Product lines and expected volumes, D. Product volumes and variety. Here, option B is correct. Product profiling aligns product volume and variety with deployment choices to ensure the manufacturing and supply chain strategies are suited to the product's demand characteristics. This helps optimize production processes and resource allocation. Question number 20. Which of the following is best suited to solve major business process problems? A. Quality circle. B. Cross-functional teams. C. Ad hoc teams. D. Self-directed work teams. Here the correct answer is B. Cross-functional teams are best for solving major business process problems because they bring together diverse expertise from various departments, enabling comprehensive solutions. This collaboration addresses issues from multiple perspectives and ensures effective problem solving. Thank you for joining me today. I appreciate the time and attention of all my viewers. If you want to practice more questions, please click the video.